Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is October 10th when I'm recording this, and the market's doing well. This is what we've been looking for and waiting for, being patient about, and we are finally starting to see it. So over the last few days, we have been waiting for the market to pull back, and we saw that, and it came right into the daily 21. I mean, it just doesn't get any cleaner, any better than this. It's been working out very, very nicely. The other thing that I look for the Moxie indicator is if we look here over the last couple days, few weeks, whatever it was, is you see in through here, see how the Moxie indicator was very spread from each other? That means it's not strong. So that indicated to me that this move up wasn't quite ready. You could still see that the Moxie indicator was spread. Yes, they were above zero, but they were still spread. So what I was looking for is some sort of test. And what I normally look at is I want to see price hold and engage moving averages. And you can see here that the that price actually went right through the 15-minute 50. But then when it recovered, look at the next day. And so I think this is what? Today is Thursday, Wednesday, so Tuesday. You can see price came up here. Look at the combination. This is perfect. This is absolutely beautiful. This is what we look for with the Moxie indicator. Look at those two lines. They look like they're right on top of each other. They look like one line. They're nice and tight. That is what we want to see. And if you notice here, the yellow dots, it looks like a line, but they're yellow dots on the center line. That's what I call the Moxie power dots. It's basically the squeeze for the Moxie indicator. And so if you weren't necessarily looking at, how tight the line is, we have these indicators here that tell you that the Moxie indicator is getting tight, and it's like the squeeze for the Moxie. And then you can see here price held the moving average, and we got our breakout yesterday. So now we are reaching to new all-time highs. We are breaking out from this bull flag. Everything is looking absolutely fantastic right now. So what we did is, we expected a little bit of a pullback this morning. What did we get? Nice double bottom. And you know what? We took a trade today. In fact, we are still in this trade as I speak. So what is it that we are in? Well, we are in the 5,800 calls. Right here, you can see that we got in just a little bit ago at about 2.3, and we took our first 100% exit at about 4.55, whatever that comes out to be, because this is how we do it. We take, we put on at least two contracts. You come up here, you make 100%. So we just made 100%, and then you set your stop to at least break even, and then we just let the rest go. So where we are right now, we're about, let's call it 2.3-ish. We are up 145% as we speak, and we're just going to have to see where this goes. Now, hey, this might turn around and implode. That's fine. We've already made our 100%, and the other is at our break-even stop loss, or this thing could just keep going, and we'll have to see how great it is. So this is a very, very good day. We had a clean entry, and fortunately with the market breaking out like this, it was something that we were looking for, and we just had an absolutely gorgeous setup. So if something like this, if the 0 DTE day trading sounds interesting to you, like as I said, we just made 100%. Our other half is making 150% as we speak. Come on over to the Moxie Indicator Trading Room. I've got a special course on this. This is one of those new things that I'm tackling. We're having a good time with it, and you can see these clean setups. I mean, just look at that. It's just absolutely perfect setup. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to do this, come on over and come in, say hi, and let me know what we can do for you. We'll see you there. Take care.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.